For me to work for a company like Nutrex Hawaii, it's a great honor to bring healthy products to our community, to make a difference in people's lives and to help them feel better, be more active, and do what they love to do every day in Hawaii.
Take a lot of pride in working here, a sense of gratification seeing what we do out here end up on the shelves.
Spirulina is a blue-green algae and it's a superfood. It's like eating your green leafy vegetables.
We've been here for over 40 years and we're really proud of that. Not only have we expanded our farm from 5 acres to 96 acres, we have over 2,000 solar panels here on site, and this helps to power our entire farm. And the majority of our water that we use is reclaimed and recycled back into the next growing cycle.
So basically what's happening now is spirulina is getting mixed with this paddle wheel, which allows the algae to get to proper density and then further on allowing us to harvest it.
I'm proud of the astaxanthin we grow here. It's very beneficial for everybody's health. So what I was doing was stirring up the astaxanthin because it settles. You go in, you sweep them up so it moves around and keeps flowing around.
Microalgae has been around for billions of years, evolving and adapting to the environment, particularly producing special compounds to help it handle harsh environments. And those compounds do the same thing in your body to protect your cells.
It's integrated top to bottom. Everything is produced here at the farm. All the lab testing and quality testing is done here at the farm. And the goal has remained the same over the years to make the best quality microalgae products that we can that will help people with their health for whatever they pursue in their life.